say this. Number one, congratulate Itiro High School and the Gesero High School for the wonderful job you did. You guys made us proud from Bunchari constituency. I'm proud of you. And the issue that everybody's mourning and everybody's crying about, the issue about exam irregularities. Number one, Mr. Kaimenyi, we have to tell you very truthfully and right on your face. We demand answers. Mr. Kaimenyi, we want to know the criteria that you used to make sure that these guys were looking like they were cheating in an examination. We don't want to see just an evidence of the mouth. We want to see tangible evidence. If there is any video that you captured these guys cheating, please bring it upon to the people to see. But just going ahead and putting pressure to these parents who have been working for these kids for the last 14 to 12 years, it's not easy. We demand more than answers, Mr. Kaimenyi. On the same note, our kisii leaders, this could be witch hunt. We put you on notice, kisii leaders, members of parliament, including the governor and the senator. It's about time that you speak up. Because if you keep quiet, this is continuing and it's going to be there all the time. Leaders, please, deliver us from this evil and let us know what the truth is. But if you go silent, then we'll be guilty. To all those parents back home and everybody who has been found on this kind of massacre, all we can say, we are very sorry, and let us demand and keep on demanding. The kisii community will not rest until we have evidence. Tunataka kuona iko over there. Mr. Kaimenyi, give us printed or give us in a video. Apart from that, give us the right result for our candidates back home. Very strong message, and thank you.